Hello children, welcome to today's class on cultural and creative arts. I am still Mr. Okoronkwo Jackson Jonathan, and our class today is still for primary 1 as we have been taking before. Today's topic will be looking at children's rhymes. Remember, our first topic was on introduction to arts, and our second topic we took a journey through different types of decorative art and what decorative art does in our home. Today we'll be looking at entertainment, and under entertainment our major discuss is children's rhyme, and we say that children's rhymes are songs for children. When your mommy gave birth to you, I know by then you've not started hearing anything, but by the time you clocked 1 year, 2 years, you were still a toddler, mommy was still carrying you in the hands. Now sometimes you hear mommy sing some songs for you. You also hear sisters and brothers also sing some songs for you. Sometimes they try to cuddle you to sleep. These are all children's rhymes. Then in your nursery school, you will also hear your teachers sing some rhymes for you. For instance, they will sing stuff like, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are." Now, if you always watch Barney and the Children or Barney and Friends, you will also hear this kind of songs. These are examples of children's rhyme. And why do we value children's rhyme? We value children's rhymes because, one, they make children happy. How many of you enjoyed the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star that I just sang now? I believe all of you just did. And we'll still have more of it because that is what we want to learn now. This next thing it does is that children rhyme make children to go to bed. In other words, with children's rhyme, we cuddle children to sleep. If you go over to pre-nursery right now, you see some children running around, but by the time you start singing for them, you see them sleep. We also use children rhyme to make children to stop crying. Some of you cried very well when you were young, when you were smaller than you are now. Let's say when you are still in nursery. You don't want to go to school, so when mommy brings you to school, you always be crying. But now, you are now big boys and big girls, so you won't cry again. But that notwithstanding, you still need children's rhymes. Why? Because you need them to go to bed, you need them to make you happy, and you need them sometimes when you're crying to stop crying, especially if mommy did not buy you biscuits. Let us now look at some of the children's rhymes we have. One, we have songs like "This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands early in the morning. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands early in the morning." Did you enjoy that? Okay, good. Let me sing another one. "Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the them, one for the little boy who lives along the road." Did you see that? Okay, now there are lots of children's rhyme. Now we can divide them into various angles and categories. For instance, there are those that teach us a part of the body. There are still those that teach us ABC and 1, 2, 3. There are those that are just used to entertain us. Okay, let's look at those that teach us parts of our body. We have head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. So with this, you will learn the parts of your body. Okay, there are also those that teach us ABC. Let us take an example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I can sing my ABC. Now won't you sing on with me? So with this, you learn your ABC. There are also those that teach us how to recite 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's take an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it beat my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. So with this, you know your 1, 2, 3. There are also those we use in showing love to our mother, how they cared for us. For example, who sat and washed my infant head when sleeping on my cradle bed, and tears of sweet affection shed? My mother. I can see most of you shaking your head left and right because you are enjoying it. There are also children's rhymes that we use to express our joy when we are going to school. Some of them will say they look too local, and some of them will say they look good. But let's just take one. The wheels on the bus go round, 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 round. The wheels on the bus go round, 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 all day long. Okay, children, I hope you really enjoyed today's lesson on children's rhyme. See you next time in Cultural and Creative Arts. Bye.